Halo seluruh, kembali lagi di MK Channel. Di video kali ini MK Channel akan membuatkan tutorial mengenai double disk xmax ya. Nah, ini di depan saya sudah ada pelek depan punyanya motor xmax. Nah, ini kiriman dari salah satu subscriber mengirimkan pelek seperti ini untuk dibikinkan cakram double. Aduh, nah ini asli ya, ada dua piringannya. Nanti akan saya kasih tutorialnya untuk membuat cakram double. Dan yang pasti awet mas bro, awet dan nggak mungkin goyang-goyang, permanen. Jadi beliau mengirimkan satu buah pelek mas bro, kemudian mengirimkan dua buah piringan. Nah ini, kemudian disertai dengan laker. Nah ini ada dua laker dan dua bus mas bro. Ini laker originalnya, aslinya, biar lebih awet. Nah untuk cara-cara seperti ini, yang penting ikuti terus sampai habis biar nggak salah paham. Guys bro, ini sebelum dikerjakan mas bro, ternyata ini ada bekas cacat mas bro ya. Ini bekas pecah peleknya ternyata. Nah ini biar si pemilik mengetahui dulu awal mula peleknya. Nah ini mas bro ya. Nah ini bisa dilihat nih retaknya sampai dalam. Ini mas bro ya. Nah ini bisa dilihat foto kelihatan. Jadi nanti ini perlu di kelas lagi biar rapat.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this is amusing. Sitting here gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Oke, udah jadi untuk hasilnya seperti ini ya. Nah, ini ada tambahan buat piringan speedo biar nggak kelihatan gerunggang Mas Bro ya. Ada tambahan ini karena requestnya minta ditambahin ini biar kelihatan nggak gerunggang bagian kirinya.